Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a broken zipper. First, identify the problem. Is it a stuck slider, separated teeth, or a missing pull tab? Many common zipper issues can be resolved quickly with household items. We'll cover how to get a stubborn slider moving again and realign those tricky teeth. Don't throw away that favorite jacket just yet. A little know-how can save it. If your zipper is stuck, don't force it, as this can cause more damage. A simple trick is to use a graphite pencil. Rub the pencil lead along the teeth on both sides of the slider. The graphite acts as a lubricant, helping the slider move smoothly. Alternatively, a small amount of bar soap or candle wax can also work wonders. Apply it carefully and then gently try to move the slider. When zipper teeth separate, it's often due to a loose slider or bent teeth. If the teeth are bent, use a pair of needle nose pliers to gently straighten them. For a slider that isn't gripping properly, carefully squeeze the back of the slider with pliers. This can tighten its hold on the teeth, allowing it to re-engage them correctly. Be gentle to avoid breaking the slider itself. If your zipper pull has broken off, a quick fix is to attach a paper clip, a small keyring, or even a piece of string through the hole. This provides a temporary, functional pull. For a more durable solution, many zipper repair kits offer replacement pulls that are easy to install. Remember, a little maintenance can extend the life of your zippers significantly. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.